I think this is two ways you may be able to notice that an Amazon tablet is hacked, and probably by Russians. Well, I don't know it's hacked, and I don't know, well, that's hacked, yeah. But I don't know if it's Russians, well, I do, but I don't know if it's always Russians, but this is one method. Well, I mean two methods. Here's our method, two ways to spot. Here's number one, dictionary update available. There it is there. This starts up every single time, and I don't think that's a genuine. I don't think that's a genuine thing. So I think this might be phony. So that's number one. Dictionary update available, starts up every time. Number two, apps from unknown sources. There's no on-off button for a start, so that's suspicious, because I've used that in the past and there was an on-off button, but now there isn't. So there should be an on-off toggle, and when you go in, I've done that the wrong way around. These, I use Brave, but I don't think these should be install unknown apps. I think Brave's in the Google Play Store, so they're on the Google Play Store. I don't think they should be unknown apps. I don't know why they're off. And if you show system, there's Diode APK and there's a depth FOSS, and I'm very suspicious of these two. Some people say this is to do with an Amazon spying thing. I'm calling it spying, but I mean, you know, it's a way Amazon's meant to thing your analytics or something. But this diode, I think that is definitely shouldn't be there at all. That's some peer-to-peer thing. So I think that's the two ways that I think you can spot an Amazon tablet might be hacked. I could be wrong about that, you know. I suspect this is hacked, and I suspect it's by the Russians. So yeah, I'm very suspicious of that. I'm putting this more on to raise awareness, and maybe people can post in the comments what they think, you know. So number one was the dictionary update available, updating every single time it goes on. Can't see it now at the moment. It's not there at the moment. And the other thing, insecurity. Apps from unknown sources. There's no toggle on-off button, and there's things there that I think you can get in the Google Play Store, so I don't think they should be there. And when you show system, there's Diode APK and a depth FOSS. So I'm especially interested in people who know about these things. Do you think these two things are a sign of hacked? Dictionary update available every single time on startup. Is it even a real program? And the other thing is install unknown apps. There's no toggle button. Security and privacy. Apps from unknown sources. There's no toggle button on off. And all these programs that are all from the Google Play Store, why are they in here and they're not allowed? And when I show the system, I get Diode APK, which is very suspicious to me. I didn't download that. And a depth FOSS, which is maybe some sort of Amazon analytics thing, I don't know. So I'd be especially interested for anyone who knows about these things to comment. Do you think they're dodgy? Alright, if anybody knows, please comment or whatever. Thanks very much. Or get in touch, private message or whatever. Thank you.